morning, students. Today we will be learning trigonometry chapter, that is chapter 8. I have already given you AP chapter, theorem also, and statistics we have done from WhatsApp. So today I will be starting chapter 8 from the YouTube. So what I want to tell you here is, this is a very important chapter. I will give you some formula. You have to keep that formula in your mind, and we'll be dealing with some difficult question also. If there is any confusion, if you don't understand, you can write in the comment section. So I didn't understand this question or this formula. I will go through it and I will redo it for you. Okay. So let me start with this chapter, trigonometry chapter. Okay. Trigonometry chapter. Do you remember in the classroom once we were talking and I told you a riddle? Like some people have curly brown hair turns pure black. I hope all of you remember this because I asked you this, and most of you are able to say this. Okay, that was what I said. Let me give you this chapter 8, trigonometry chapter. Okay, some people have curly brown hair turns pure black. Okay, you should have your textbook with you. Please refer your textbook for looking at the questions. Then we will start this. Okay. Now, before we start this chapter, I will just show you a right angle here. These two sides makes right angle is 90. These two sides makes right angle. So this will be hypotenuse. Now remember one thing, I'm writing a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will not change. Opposite and base changes depending on the angles where you take. Okay. See, if I'm standing here, my opposite is in the front. That's my opposite. So, suppose if I give name here A, B, C. If I'm keeping the angle here, okay, if I'm keeping the angle here, the opposite of this angle is this opposite, P. I'm writing a P. And downside is what? Base, B. I'm keeping a base. And this is hypotenuse. See, I put here arrow mark. Opposite of this angle is this one. And this is base. Now if I change this angle from here to here, you see here, I'm putting arrow marks here. Now this B becomes what? P. And this P becomes what? B. Hypotenuse is not changing. This is where you might get confused, okay? If you take angle here, this is opposite and this is base. And if you take angle here at the top, this is opposite, this is base. There should not be any confusion, okay? Just go through this diagram. Now, in this chapter we are going to learn sin theta, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, these are formulas which we are going to apply in this chapter. Next exercise, that is, if you go to page number 193, there is a table. If you go to the table, just go to one table. Okay, it's given there: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. There are the angle degrees given. Okay, that one we'll learn in the next exercise. Today I'll tell you the basic formula here. Sin, PH. Some people have curly brown hair turns pure black. This one you know, right? If you know this, that means you know all this formula. Very simple. Sin means PH. We put here PH, opposite by hypotenuse. Cos means BH, base by hypotenuse. Tan means PB, P by B. Cosec means the reverse of sin is cosec. Ulta. PH means sun will take H by P. Cos means BH means sec will take H by B. Tan will take a PB, P by B means will take a B by P. Okay, I hope you understand this formula. Huh? If you know this, that means it's very easy to understand this. Okay, so I'll rub this, I'll just keep this one same. Okay, you can refer the formula from here by solving the exercise question. Now remember one thing, 8.1, whenever you solve the answer, you have to draw diagram. It's compulsory, okay, diagram you have to draw. And please use pencil while drawing the diagram. Okay, in exam time, you cannot give chance to cut marks. Okay, even though your answer is correct, and if you make small mistake, they are going to cut your marks. Okay, so let's start with exercise question. Now, Pythagoras theorem, we have done formula. Pythagoras theorem, what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus base square. That's the formula, right? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus base square. So in this exercise 8.1, almost all the question, they will give you two sides. Pythagoras theorem, there are three sides. Hypotenuse, opposite base. They will give you two sides. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find out third side. See, I will show you now. Okay. Number one, if you see the diagram, what is question number one saying? In triangle ABC. You see number one, in triangle ABC. Right angle at what? B. Question didn't give us diagram. We have to draw by ourselves. Okay. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. That's why I'm giving here B. This is 90. Huh? So let's give here A. Let's give here C. Okay. Now question is giving you what? AB is given 24. AB is given 24. And what is given? And BC is given 7. BC is given 7. Okay. Now I'll write here in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. I'm using shortcut. Please write long. Okay. Pythagoras write full. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem, the formula is hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus base square. Now this is hypotenuse, right? This triangle, this is hypotenuse. If I take angle here, see, let me draw this. Okay. Don't get confused. If the angle is here, this side is opposite P, and downside is what? Base, and this is hypotenuse. And now remember one thing here. If the angle is here, later on I'll do. Okay. Because again, if I write here, see, if the angle is here, this B becomes what? P now. Here, you can see arrow mark here. If the angle is here, this B becomes what? P. And this downside, this B becomes what? B. Hypotenuse is not changing. Okay. So, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, what is hypotenuse given here? AC square. Is equal to opposite is how much given? 7 square plus base how much given? 24 square. So, if you keep your AC square root, 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576. So, if you do plus, you get how much? 625. The square root of 625 is how much? 25. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we got this one 25. Now we know all the three sides. We got 7, we got 24, we got 25. Okay. Now we know all the three sides. The question asks you to find out what? Number 1, you see, I will give here. Okay. Sin A and cos A. Number 1. And number 2, the question asks you to find out what? Sin C and cos C. I will give here. Okay. Sin C, cos C. Okay, that means first you have to take angle here A once, and then you have to take here angle at what? C. Now see sine. Angle I'm taking here. If the angle is here, this is P, this is B. B. Remember, first I did the B. You can see, na? Sine, what's the formula? PH. PH. What is P here? P is 7, H is how much? 25. Na? Into cos. Now cos A. Cos what's the formula? BH. This is B, right? B is how much? 24, H is how much? 25. 24 and 7 multiply 7 4 is 28, 2 carry, 7 is 14 plus 2 is 16, 25 square is 65. This is done. Now this one again, sin C, now angle is here, that means this is P now, P, sin C, PH, P is how much? 24 into H is how much? 25. Cos C, angle is here, cos means what? BH, this is B, this P becomes B, B is how much? 7 and H is how much? 25. So this one if you multiply, let's say 168 by 65. I hope this is clear. Almost all the questions I told you in the beginning, they will give you two sides. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find the third side. Now number 2, you see number 2. I will give you number 2 as homework. Okay. Number 2 is not that difficult. Same, very simple. Okay. Number 2, can you see the diagram on the right side? Hypotenuse. If you see, hypotenuse is given how much? 13, and opposite is given how much? 12. Right. That means with the help of Pythagoras theorem, you write like the same. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is given 13, opposite is given 12. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, if you find base, you will get 5. Okay, you will get 5. Now you know all the three sides: 13, 12, 5. Right? Now do you know all three sides? Question asking what? 10p minus 4r. Like this. Once the angle was A, once the angle was C, same like that. 10p quarter. Okay. You try this. If you cannot do, just write in the comment section. This is I am not able to solve this. I'll do it for you again. Okay. Let's do question number 3 now. Read question number 3. What's question number 3 saying? Given what? See? Given sin A is given 3 by 4. Question number 3. Sin A is given 3 by 4. Let's draw one triangle here. Right angle. This is given A. That's why I'll take here A. Let's take B here. Let's take C here. Sin. What is given? PH. Can you say PH? This one will take as P. This one will take as H. If the angle is here, this is P. I'm just writing here P, okay? This is B, this is H. So that you don't get confused. That's why I'm writing here P, B, H. Okay, angle is here. That's why P, this is P, okay? P how much given? 3, H is how much given? 4. Now, again, same thing by Pythagoras theorem. Sorry, here we write in triangle ABC, okay? By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, what is hypotenuse given here? AC square is equal to opposite is what? BC square plus AB square. Okay, AC is how much given? 4 square, BC is how much given? 3 square plus AB square. Now I'll take this one. Okay, first. AB square is equal to 4 square is 16. 3 square if you take in the left side it becomes minus 9. Huh? So AB equal to, if you take square in the right side it becomes square root. 16 minus 9, how much you get? 7. So this one we get square root 7. Now all the three sides we go. What's the question asking you to find out? See, question number 3. Calculate cos A and tan A, right? Let's do here cos A and tan A. Now you know the formula. You just have to see the formula and write here. Cos. What is cos given? BH. What is B here? Root 7. You can see root 7 and H how much given? 4. Right? Tan again. Tan PB. What is P given? 3 and B is given how much? Root 7. Done. See, we are doing all the questions same. Pythagoras theorem will apply. Okay? Pythagoras theorem. So 1, 2, 3 is done. Now let's do question number 4. I'm just doing it a little quickly because all the questions are same, nothing much to explain. Question number 6 is a little different than this. There is no Pythagoras theorem in question number 6. That one we will explain, okay? That one will go a little slowly. The remaining question I'm going a little faster because all are same, only the numbers are different, okay? Question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is also same like question number 3. Question number 4 is given 15 cot A. You see 15 cot A. Again, just do diagram here again. Question is giving you what? See? 15 cot A. Question number 4 is given 15 cot A is given how much? 8. Right? So if you keep your cot A this will become 8 by 15. Let's draw triangle here. Let's put here A, B, C. Right? 15 cot A. Cot means the reverse of tan. Ulta. Tan is PB. Cot will become what? B. P. What is B here? 8. If I take angle here, this is B. This is what? P. This is what? H. B is how much? 8. P is how much? 15. See, if I write so many things, you get confused. That's why I don't want to write this P and B anymore. You should be able to figure it out. Okay, understand? Okay. Hypotenuse is not changing. From next question onward, I will not write P and B anymore or H. You have to know. This side is H. Downside is base. Opposite. You should know. Huh? So this is the last question where I am writing P and B. From next question onward, I will not write P and B anymore. Okay. You have to figure it out by yourself. Okay. Chord is given BP. B I taken 8. B is given as 15. So again, Pythagoras will come in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, AC square. AC square is equal to opposite how much given? 15 square. Plus base square how much given? 8 square. So AC equal to square root 15 square is 225. 8 square is 64. If you do plus, you get here 289. 289. The square root of 289 is how much? 17. Okay. You have to know square root up to 25. Okay, because you are in class 10 now. You should know up to 25 because if you multiply 25, 17 is on the half side, and if you go on doing calculation, you are consuming a lot of time. The more you consume a lot of time, that means you will be able to do less question in the exam. Because the question paper will give you question as per your time. Okay, you cannot take more than 10 minutes in this type of question. So please refer your textbook. Okay, the square root, if you forget, multiply it, practice it. Practice makes you perfect. Okay. Number 17, we got 17 here. Now all the three sides we got. Now what's the question asking you here again? Sin A and sec A, right? Question asking you sin A and sec A. Sin A. Now sin A is BH, right? This is B, how much? 15, and H is given how much? 17. Done, huh? Sec. Sec is product of cos. Cos is BH, sec will become HB. H, what is H here? 17. What is B? H. Done, huh? So same thing, we are doing Pythagoras theorem. Now this is the fourth question which you are doing Pythagoras theorem, same thing. So number 5 you try by yourself. Number 5 you see sec theta is given 13 by 12. That means two sides is given. That means with the help of Pythagoras theorem, you will get the third side. See, try to memorize some question. If they give you 13, 12, you should know that the last side will be how much? 5. Because we have come across many questions. 13, 12, 5. Huh? So see, number 5 is given sec theta equal to 13 by 12. I hope you understand what I am saying. Huh? Sec theta equal to 13 by 12. So by Pythagoras theorem, you will get the third side as 5. Now you know the sides are what? 13, 12 and 5. Huh? And the question asking you to calculate all the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio means all the formulas. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. All the formulas you write. You will see from the diagram the sides and you will write. Okay? That's it. Now number 6. Now number 6 is saying what? You see? Number 6 is a little different than these questions. Here we are doing Pythagoras theorem number 6 now. Okay. Number 6 is saying what? Let's see. Question number 6. It's given if angle A and B are acute angle. Okay. If angle A and B are acute angle, the question is telling you given cos A is equal to cos B. Question is giving you. Let me change the chalk. given cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, and the question is telling you to show that angle A is equal to angle B. You show angle A is equal to angle B. Let's do a triangle. Right angle again. Okay. They give you A and B. Let's not take B here. Okay. Let's take here A. Let's take here B. Let's take here C. Okay. I have taken a triangle like this. Huh? So this is the right angle. I have to prove that angle A is equal to what angle B, and given what cos A equal to cos B. Let's do like this. Okay. Now, let's see what is cos A. Cos A. If the angle is here, see nicely. Okay. Please don't get confused. The angle is here. Cos means what's the formula? BH. Can you see? I'm pointing the finger. BH. If the angle is here, this is B. This is H. Can you see? BH. BH. AC by AB will come. Okay. So I'm writing here AC by AB. Done? Clear? Done? Now again what? Cos B. I'm going to take here cos B. Now angle is here. Okay. Please don't get confused. Earlier angle was here. Now angle is here. Again cos B by H. Cos means BH. If the angle is here, this is B. And this is H. BC by what will become AB. BC by AB. Okay, I hope you got the size. Huh? Now what is given? The question is saying these two is same. So what are these now? But we know that AC by AB is equal to what? BC by AB. Why? Because the question is giving you cos A is equal to what? Cos B. It's given, huh? This is same. This is same, huh? If you got BB, what is left then? AC is equal to what left? BC. We got this side, right? Now see, okay, there is one very important thing. AC, you check what is AC in the question. This is AC. See, let me do a graph for you, okay? To understand this. See, if I will draw a triangle here, let me give them A, B, C. If I take side BC, here. If I take this side, this is the angle. Keep this in mind, okay? If I take this side, this is the angle. If I take this side, this is the AB. Now if I draw this AB, this side, angle will be here, opposite. If I take this side, angle will be here. I hope you understand now? Same thing, AC you see, this is AC. Right? So which angle will become? B. Right? Now BC, which angle is BC? This is BC. This is BC. Which angle will become? A. Angle A. Are we getting the answer? Let's say angle A with angle B. See? Right? What do we do? This is the answer, okay? You can write definition. Angle opposite two sides are same, nah? This is the answer. It's not very difficult, okay? Given, once again I'll tell you the question, given cos A is equal to cos B. And the question asking to show that angle A is equal to angle B, nah? So I've taken cos A, here cos A, I've taken cos B. Cos A, when you see angle here, what's the formula? BH. If the angle is here, this is B and this is H. What is the angle? AC by AB. That's what I wrote here, AC by AB. Now when you take cos B, angle is here. Again cos formula is BH. If the angle is here, this is base. And this H, BC by AB is done. BC by AB. Now we know that this two is same. Here, this two is same. That's why I wrote this and this is equal to this. Now downside also we can cut AB equal to AB. So what left? AC is equal to what left? BC. If AC, this is the side, this is the angle B. Instead of AC, what is coming? Angle B and BC. This is the side, what is angle is coming? A. I hope you understand this, nah? If there is any confusion, just let me know, okay? We can do it again this one. Now let's do question number 7. Okay? Let's do like this. Today up to 6, we finish 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Next class maybe we can do up to question number 7, 8, or shall we finish it today? It's not that difficult. You can do some of the question by yourself. Because let's do question number 7 and 8. Okay? Let's finish it. Because we have to do revision also. We are short of time. Okay? Number 7. Question number 7. Question is giving you what? Cot theta equal to 7 by 8. It's given you cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Now these questions are important, okay? Let's go diagram here. Question didn't give us any name, right? So we can take name. Let's take an A, B, C. Now angle, I'm taking theta here. Taking theta, right? Cot means, what's the order of cot? Cot means 10. The reverse of 10. 10 means PB. You have to calculate it ahead, okay? 10 means PB. Cot will become BP. That means this is B, this is P. See, let me write here once again. Some people have curly brown hair, there's pure black. If you forget, I can have it writing this in the rough side, okay? Cot means the order of 10. 10 means PB means cot will But in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, now hypotenuse square means I'll do the shortcut, okay? AC square is equal to opposite. What is opposite? Opposite is number 8. 8 square is how much? 64 plus what is this? 7 square. 7 square is 49. So AC equal to square root. I'm putting up 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. We get 113 here. Square root 113. Okay, now we know what the tree side. What's the question asking you? Number 1. Let's do number 1. Number 1, I'll do here. Okay, so number 1. Question is giving you 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. Again here, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. See, straight away we can put the numbers from here also, but better you apply formula so that this becomes short. I'll apply formula here. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square, right? We have done this many times. A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. What is a here? Let's take here. A square means 1 square, minus b means what? We can take here. Sine square theta. By, again here a plus b, a minus b. You can see 1 square same, cos square theta. So let's solve this. I'll do already this side here. 1 minus sine square. Sine means ph. Sine is ph. 8 by root 113. 8 by root 113. Let's put here square. Divide by 1 minus cos. Cos square. Cos means what? bh. This is d. 7 by root 113 square. Okay. So I'll do this shortcut. Okay. See, you are in class 10 level. You should be able to use shortcut because it's not that difficult. See, if I take LCM here, this two LCM, I'll get what this, right? This square is square, square is gone, right? What is left here? 113. I hope you understand that. Square is gone. 113 and 1 if you take LCM, you get 113. Right? Divide by, this divide by, again divide by, okay? Again here also, if you take LCM, what will come? 113. I hope you understand that. So 113 will multiply to what? 1. 113 will get here. 113, 113 is same, so what will come outside? A square is how much? 64. Here also 113 to 1, 113 will get here. 113 same, 7 square how much you get? 49. So down you get that, right? So this will be replaced with minus. This is 3, this is 4, we can't do minus. This will become 13. 13 minus 4, how much you get? 9. If this is 30, this will become 10. 10 minus 6, how much you get? 4. Again here 13 minus 9, we get how much? 4. This will become 10. 10 minus 4, we get how much? 6. This is our answer, okay? I hope this is clear, huh? Now there is one more thing. Question number 2 also. One we have done now. Number 2. Number 2 is very short. I'll do it here, okay? See, in the exam time, you are supposed to write straight. You cannot, like me, I'm using board, that's why I cannot, if I write this again, there will be confusion for you. That's why I'm putting an oblique type, okay? Exam time, you will write this should go down. You cannot put line and line on the right side, again put line and right side, you will get 0. You will cut the whole answer. So please be careful. You have to write consistent, straight. Take as much as paper, okay? You cannot put oblique and write this, again put oblique and write another one. Like it should not go like this, it should be straight. I hope you understand, okay? So number 2, don't do the mistake, the one which, the same way which I'm doing in the board. I'm using board, I'm not using paper, that's why I'm doing it like this. If I write this, then you get confusion here to understand. Number 2, is given here what? Cos square theta. It's given here cos square theta. Now question is clearly giving you cos square. What do you put here? 7 by 8 square. You don't have to do it in the formula. This is given here. 7 square how much you get? 49. 8 square how much you get? 64. Done. Okay. Okay. I think this much is way enough. I think because if I give you too many questions, you'll get confused. Okay. So with this, I'll stop the class. If there is any confusion, please feel free to call me or write in the comment section. Next class, I'll look at the comment. I'll try to improve and I'll help you with the other question. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.